Were you trying to bite him?
Come on.
Fat guy frenzy. Are you trying to hook up a loogie?
Watch this pressure point right here. Dude, no, don't do this. I couldn't do nothing. I couldn't do nothing. Or my niece's stuff.
And when you get quick breath, hold your hand up. So I know if you pass out, your hand will go.
Okay.
Hold your hand up.
Come on, bro, you got this. Your daddy's Jason. Boys! Oh my god.
Wow.
I can't find it up. No.
Kinda wanna find out why you seem so down. Won't you tell me, dear? Looks like you are tears. Because a smile is a curve that can set a lot of things straight. So won't you look my way and let me make your day? Even if it's not in my direction, your smile, well, it's pure perfection.